Greetings everyone. Welcome to Only Tech Mind, your one-stop destination for all things Excel. Ready to unravel the magic of Microsoft Excel? Whether you're a formula fanatic or just dipping your toes into cells and functions, you're in for a treat. From jaw-dropping formulas to slick data visualizations, we've got it all. And here's the deal. If you're as pumped about Excel as we are, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash that like icon to join our community of tech minds. Get ready to supercharge your skills, one formula at a time. Let's dive in. In this I am going to teach you how you can write functions in Excel. Let's start with a simple example of sum function. Now I'll explain step-by-step procedure. Enter data. Enter the data you want to sum into the cells. For example, let's assume you have numbers in cells A1 to A5 that you want to add together. Then, select Cell for result. Choose the cell where you want the sum to appear. Let's say you want the sum to appear in cell B1. Now, start typing the function. In cell B1, or the cell you've selected for the result, type an equals sign, equals, to indicate that you're entering a formula. Type the function name. After typing, equals, start typing the function name, sum. Open parentheses. After typing, sum, open a set of parentheses. Specify the range. Inside the parentheses, type the range of cells you want to add together. In this case, type A1, A5, to indicate that you're summing the values in cells A1 through A5. Close parentheses. After specifying the range, close the parentheses. Your formula should now look like this, equals sum, A1, A5. Press Enter. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. Excel will calculate the sum of the values in cells A1 through A5 and display the result in cell B1. You'll now see the sum of the values in cells A1 to A5 displayed in cell B1. Congratulations! You've successfully used the sum function to add values in Excel. This basic example demonstrates how to sum a range of cells, but you can use similar steps for other functions as well. As you become more comfortable with Excel, you can explore more complex calculations and functions to suit your needs. More examples of functions are average, count, max, min, etc. Here I'll show how to use these functions in complete details. Let's start. And there you have it, Excel champions. I hope you found this tutorial valuable and that it helps you conquer your spreadsheet challenges with confidence. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more Excel wizardry, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of our future tutorials. Got questions or ideas for upcoming videos? Drop them in the comments below. Remember, learning is a journey, and we're thrilled to be a part of your Excel adventure. Thanks for tuning in to Only Tech Mind. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep excelling.